My version of the Brettzel 2.0 is my absolute favorite stretch for the hip flexor and quad. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by sitting with your feet flat on the ground, hips are bent. Now, if I'm going to stretch this right leg, what we're going to do is we're going to first start by bringing the left leg to the left outer thigh down, and then right inner thigh comes down. Now you notice, like, when I'm sitting here, I'm still kind of straight forward. What happens sometimes is people will bring this leg way back. I want to actually pretty forward, because we're going to kind of create this like single line. Then I'm going to squeeze my glute right where my hip, right where my glute and hamstring meet. And then by squeezing this glute, that's what's going to facilitate a little bit of this stretch in the front of the hip. Then I'm going to come down on my left elbow, so opposite elbow. I'm going to come down, walk that behind me, squeeze that glute, press that knee down, and I should be feeling a stretch all through here. In terms of, sometimes when people don't feel that stretch, it's that they're too far over to the side, as opposed to back like this. You're going to squeeze that glute, press that knee down, and then you should feel that stretch all through here.